Hello everybody, Scout Crane Spotter 1999 here, and today I am at Manchester Airport on the Styal line, most likely. We've got two cranes down there. We've got a first transpennine 185 and a Northern Rail 150. Also, as for the first filming I've done, we've got a metrolink train, which I'm going to be filming them as well. So they're all the services you'll be seeing: first transpennine, Northern and Manchester metrolink trams. So let's see what else will turn up then. And leaving now is going to be the first Manchester metrolink service I have ever filmed, apart from the one at Deansgate, which was sort of a little snippet. That is 3076, that's the number of it. See, even I'm doing numbers on them. And it's reminding me of Leeds because of these barriers here. But that's off to Cornbrook. And is that first trans? No, I thought it was leaving then. Okay, now arriving in is going to be a class 323. Not seen these in a while, but it's good to see them again, as I think these are quite lovely cranes. These 323, 224. Sorry about the shake camera work. It's getting quite cold here. My arms are shaking about like they just don't care. And here we have the 150 that brought me in from Manchester Oxford Road, the 150 210. Bound for Southport. And here we have 185 off to York. That is 185 111, that is. Right, hopefully I can get some nice film footage in, because my train departs at 15:40 and it's 15:06 now, so hopefully I can do it. I'm not 100% sure though. Hopefully I can get about 10 minutes at least. I'd be happy about that. That's probably why I'm filming the metrolinks, to be honest. And approaching now is going to be another class 323. It is 323 229. I thought it was 229. It's off to Alderley Edge as well. It's actually a quiet station there, so I was expecting it to be a bit more, what's the word? Bit more busy. Approaching now is going to be another class 185 for first transpennine express. Going into platform 3, I imagine, yes. Makes that a lot easier for me. 185 185116. And approaching now, we have another metrolink service from Cornbrook to Manchester Airport, where we are at now. And that is going to be 3077. Bit loud, that, isn't it? And speaking of leaving now, we have the 323-229 leaving off to Oldley Edge. And the same 3077 Manchester Metrolink service is leaving. Must have been delayed, or it's just leaving in a hurry. And approaching now is going to be a group pairing of 156s, I think. Well, we have 156, 442 at the front. That's all. Oh no, it isn't. It's 463. How the hell could I have got that wrong from where I was standing? And yeah, we do have a double pairing because well, it came from Blackpool North, and it's it's two first transpennine express services doing the stopping small runs from Blackpool North. It's 156488. Wait for that to terminate. And there we go. All terminated, all fine. And while that's terminating, we have another 323 leaving, the 224. It's bound for, I wish I had a clue, but I don't. Bound for Manchester Piccadilly. And here we have a class 319. I imagine terminating here. One sec. I think that could be my train. Yes, it is 319 376. I'll have to have a look when that departs though. So then I've got a few minutes in advance to, sorry about it. I'm just getting me thing out because I've wrote all the times down there. Let's stopping here at Manchester Airport. And here we have another Manchester Metrolink service from Cornbrook coming in to Manchester Airport. And over in my corner of my eye I see a plane landing. That is 3100. Now my plan is record the 2156s and that's the video over. I think the station's been alright though, honestly. And the Manchester Metrolink tram, the 3100, is leaving quickly again. It's not even been there 30 seconds. But I guess that's Metrolink. Straight there, straight out. And the two 156s for First Transpennine Express is now leaving. One 156 489 bound for Blackpool North. And 463 as she heads onwards to Blackpool North. I shall conclude my video there. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed my content or any of my previous content that I've uploaded. I've enjoyed it here for my third part of my video, my little Manchester videos again. Even though I'm from Liverpool, I should really be doing them, but who cares? Also, I'd like to thank KTV Videos for all them 3 videos he's put in, because he suggested me to do all of them. And look what we have here. I'm filming this before we go because we have a First Transpennine 170. I've always wanted to see one of these and I've never got the chance. Oh, that's a great moment, that. So before I go, I'll why not film this bit, you know, sneaky. It's 173.03 at the front, and also there's twinned with another one which is 306, I think.
May I have your
yes,
attention?
it is 306.
Please help to reduce the number of security alerts.
Right, so while that arrives,
luggage with you at all times.
thank you all very much for watching while that arrives, and goodbye.